Hi everyone, welcome to WebTech Production. In this part of JavaScript tutorial, I will talk about a string operator. If you watch this video till the end, first you will learn why we use string operator. Second, you will learn how to use string operator. So first let's see why we use string operator. In fact, string operator is used for concatenating two or more strings. Now let us practically see how we can use string operator. Let us start coding. Let us change title of document to now let us use script tag and body section. Now let us create two variables. Let us name first variable first name equals to, let us set the value of first name variable Ahmed, put semicolon at the end. Now let us create second variable. Let us name second variable as second name. Let us set the value of second variable Amin, put semicolon at the end. Now let us create a third variable. Let us set the value of third variable full name. Let us set the value of full name first name. Let us use addition operator. Now let us start second name, put semicolon at the end. As you can see, in third variable I have used addition operator for concatenating first name with second name. Now by using document.write method, let us display the value of full name variable. Let us use document.write method. Document.write, type opening and closing parentheses. Between opening and closing parentheses, type the name of third variable. Let us copy and paste it between opening and closing parentheses. Put semicolon at the end. Now let us save the file and see we could join the value of first name variable with the value of second variable or not. Go to file, select on save command. As you can see, web browser displayed Ahmed Amin and it is joined. The value of first name variable is joined with the value of second name variable. Now we need to keep in mind that when we change the data type of one of these variables to number, for example 45, now web browser will assume this number data type as a string. Now let us save the file and see how web browser deals with this kind of joining two variables. Go to file, select on save command. As you can see, 45 is concatenated to a variable with value Amin. Okay guys, this was the example and explanation of string operator. If you liked my video, please click on thumbs up button, and if you are new to my channel and didn't subscribe yet, please do subscribe now.